Introduce highlight features or overview summary of BOTLUXE PS100 Solar Pool Skimmer Robot. There are features include active solar tracking plus 2.5-hour fast charge, your pool stays clean 24/7, rain or shine. Unlike fixed panel solar pool skimmers that rely on the sun being directly overhead, the PS100's intelligent solar tracking system actively rotates to maximize sunlight absorption throughout the day, so your robotic pool surface cleaner keeps running even when the sun shifts. When clouds roll in, DC fast charging fully powers the unit in just 2.5 hours, delivering up to 20 hours of uninterrupted runtime. 6 liters debris basket plus 180 micrometer ultrafine filter plus built-in chlorine dispenser. The PS100's 6 liters debris basket holds significantly more than other models, so you can run full cleaning cycles without stopping to empty. The 180 micrometer mesh filter and active roller brush work together to capture leaves, debris from your pool surface. Plus, the built-in chlorine tablet dispenser, tablets not included, continuously treats water as the robot cleans, a feature most automatic pool skimmer robots don't offer. Smart app control with real-time monitoring plus OTA updates. Download the dedicated app to control your cordless pool skimmer robot remotely, switch between multiple cleaning modes, adjust speed, monitor battery percentage and water temperature in real time, and trigger one-touch return to dock. OTA firmware updates continuously unlock new features, meaning your PS100 gets smarter over time without buying new hardware. Compatible with in-ground pools and above-ground pools of all shapes. Ultrasonic obstacle avoidance plus anti-stranding wheels, uninterrupted cleaning, zero manual intervention. The PS100 pool surface cleaner robot's ultrasonic sensors detect walls, steps, and obstacles with precision. Anti-stranding wheels automatically reverse the unit when stuck, keeping it moving without you lifting a finger. The result: smooth, uninterrupted automatic pool cleaning from start to finish, even in complex pool layouts. UV-resistant and saltwater-safe materials plus protective bumpers built to last in any pool. Engineered for harsh pool environments, the PS100 is constructed from UV-resistant, salt-chlorine-tolerant materials that withstand years of outdoor use. Protective bumper strips and bumper wheels cushion every contact, preventing scratches on both the robot and your pool surface, safe for in-ground pools, above-ground pools, saltwater pools, and chlorine pools alike. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.